Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to indent. So as example, I will create value in here, you can type 500, 200, 600 and then 300. Now I will move these columns into left, and then if you want to indent like into 5 space, you can sort these objects and then go to format, click on numbers, and then you can move into custom number format. Now in here you can type 8 and then you can make space in the front from left in here 1 2 3 4 5. Click apply and it will be automatically indent the object. Like I will change into 600. Okay, it will be automatically indent between these column. Now if you want to set for the another format, like I will set into this format currency rounded, and then if you want to indent again, you can go format, click numbers, and then go to custom number format. This is for the number format, and then you can make space in the left 1 2 3 4 5 and you can click apply. Okay, that's it for basic Google Sheet tutorial how to indent. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.